In this example, we're going to find the value of z if the shaded area between the dashed lines is 76.98%. So here's the two dashed lines, here and here. The area that falls under the curve between those two lines is 76.98%. Now, if I want to find the value of z, I need to know the area to the left, because that's how the chart works. The chart uses only the area to the left. So we need to figure out these values. So I know that a total under the graph, all of it should be equal to 100. So if I know there's 76.98% in the middle, if I subtract that from 100, I'm going to have 23.02% left over. So both of these green areas should add up to 23.02. So that way the entire graph, all those areas covered, should add up to 100. So if I know both of these green areas add up to 23.02%, and because the graph is symmetric, I just divide 23.02 to find the one area of the green. So each of these tails on the curve contain 11.5% of the area under the curve. And then when we add them all up, we get 100%. So we want to make sure that we check that. So now that I know all of these areas, then we need to find the area to the left. So that's all of this. That way we can look it up on the chart. So what we need to do is take 11.51 and add 76.98. So that's all of this area here that I'm highlighting with pink. When I add up these two areas, we get 88.49. So this area with these two added, which would be the area to the left, is 88.49. So now that we know what our area is to the left, pull up our chart, we're going to look for 88.49. So here it is right here. Here's our area to the left, which is 88.49, which tells me that the z-score by that dashed line is 1.2. So this z is 1.2, and that makes sense with the picture because remember, this value here in the center should be 0. So everything to the right of that should be positive.